Welcome, Alex. I'm Mr. Gable, the factory manager. I am so happy you're joining our team today.
Oh, thank you.
Are you ready for your first day?
Hello, Mr. Gable. It's nice to meet you. Yes, I think I'm ready. I am also a little nervous. This place is, well, it's huge, and it smells so wonderful.
That's the sweet smell of adventure. Don't you worry about being nervous.
Okay.
Everyone feels that way on their first day. It's perfectly normal. We'll take everything step by step. First, you will need your official factory uniform.
My uniform? Okay. What does it include?
It's a very important part of being on the team.
Right.
Here you go. A bright white coat, a tall hat, and special shoes that stop you from slipping.
Wow, the coat is so clean. And the hat is very tall.
Safety first, and a little bit of style too. Now that you look the part,
Yeah?
let's begin your tour. Our first stop is the Whistling Workshop.
The Whistling Workshop. What an interesting name. What happens there?
It's where the magic begins. We take cocoa beans from all over the world,
Wow.
and we gently roast them to bring out that delicious flavor. The machines, they whistle when they are ready. Follow me. Here we are. Look at those big, shiny machines. Those are the roasters.
They're so big and beautiful. It's very warm in here. What are all those little brown things in that giant pile?
Those are the cocoa beans,
Oh,
the heart of our chocolate. Go on, you can pick one up.
it feels very light. And it doesn't smell like chocolate yet.
Exactly. The wonderful chocolate smell comes after we roast it. Now, your first job is very simple.
Okay.
You just need to watch this temperature gauge. A gauge is just a tool that measures something, and this one measures heat.
Okay, so I just need to watch the gauge?
That's right. If the needle on the gauge moves into the red zone,
Right?
you just press this big green button. That's it. Do you think you can do that?
If the needle goes to red, I press the green button. Yes, I can do that.
Excellent. You're a natural. Now for the most exciting part of the factory.
Yeah?
Let's go to the chocolate river.
A river? A real river made of chocolate?
The most delicious river in the entire world.
Wow, you were right. It really is a river of melted chocolate. I've never seen anything like it.
This is where we mix our perfectly roasted cocoa with just the right amount of sugar and milk to make it so smooth and creamy.
It looks so good. It smells even better. Can I taste it?
Of course, tasting is a very important part of quality control.
Oh, good.
Here, use this special long spoon.
It is so warm and sweet. This is the best chocolate I have ever tasted in my life.
I'm so glad you think so. We are very proud of it. Now, your job here is to help stir the river.
Okay.
Do you see that big colorful wheel?
Yeah, the one that looks like a big flower?
That's the one. You just need to turn it slowly. Stirring the chocolate is very important.
Right.
It keeps the river flowing perfectly and stops the chocolate from getting too thick.
So my job is to turn the wheel to stir the chocolate river. This is the best job in the world.
It is a pretty wonderful job. You are doing great, Alex.
Really?
You listen carefully and you learn very quickly.
Thank you, Mr. Gable. I was so worried this morning.
I know.
I thought the job would be hard and confusing. I was afraid I would make a mistake.
Well, every new journey begins with a single step. You were nervous, but you were also brave enough to come. You listened and you tried, and now you are helping us make chocolate. How do you feel now?
I feel really happy and very excited. I'm not nervous at all anymore.
Good.
I can't wait to see the next room.
That's the spirit, and that's the perfect attitude for a chocolate maker. Come on then, let me show you where we create the chocolate bars. Now, here's a question we'd like you to think about.
Okay.
What is a new experience that you were nervous to try,
Okay.
and what happened that made you feel happy and confident?